Aqua Nails seem to be the thing at the moment, so I wanted to give them a try. I saw Sadie do them on a live the other day, and I thought I need to try these. So I'm going with Xtensions from Nail Order, and these are the extra long square. Also a nail form, again from Nail Order, and I will be using their top coat, which is no wipe, and their DuraGel, which is in clear. So that's the builder gel, and then you also will need some oil. I've got a little bit of oil in this tiny little needle point bottle, and then little bits that you want to put inside of the nail. So the first step is you want to grab your nail form and then apply a rectangle shaped gel piece, I guess. So I'm going in with my flat square brush and the DuraGel and just creating the rectangle shape on my nail form. I'm just going to pop that in the lamp and cure for 60 seconds. Just make sure that it's fully cured before applying some top coat onto that. Reason why I'm using the no inhibition layer top coat on my rectangle is because I want to make sure none of the pieces that I'm putting inside of the aqua nail stick to the wall of the nail, just so that they are freely moving up and down. And if you have that inhibition layer, they obviously will stick to that backing. Hope that makes sense. Okay, so now I'm grabbing my tip and I'm just going to place it into the wet layer of gel and then cure all that together. So I'm going to put it in for 60 seconds. I think this top coat only cures in 30 seconds, but I'm going to give it 60 seconds. And then once it's out, we can peel it away from the nail form. And there it goes, beautiful. And now all that's left is to kind of trim the sides. I'm going to go in with my scissors because they're quite sharp, and then go in with the file and just make sure that everything's nice and flush to the sidewalls of the tip, but still making sure that I'm not over filing. Just going to pop on some more top coat on the back panel just to make sure that it's all nice and crisp and clear, and I'm making sure to cap those edges in case there was any over filing going on. We know that it's all nicely sealed in. Okay, now I need to tackle this entry point. I'm just going to grab some DuraGel on my flat brush again and then try and plug it basically, and then cure it in the lamp and file it. So I'm going to file the top of it to make sure it's all nice and flat when it comes out. This top coat is really becoming the most useful thing in this design. So I pop some on the top and then we can start filling in the nail. So I'm going to pop in some glitter, and then I have a few pieces of like a monstera leaf, a flamingo, and a hibiscus flower. I also popped in some of these iridescent little glass beads because I thought they would look cute inside. So let's see what it looks like once we fill it with oil. So the reason why I'm using the needle point bottle is because it doesn't leak oil until you place it where you want it. So I'm trying not to have it right against the top because I want to make sure I can still put gel there, and obviously gel doesn't like oil. So I've popped some drops in, and now we can go in and try and seal it. Bear in mind, this is my first time doing this, so it might not be perfect. Okay, DuraGel to the rescue. It is not going to look pretty because it's not as easy to get it nice and smooth as it was on top. So I'm just gently trying to move that gel from sidewall to sidewall and getting it to stick. Once it's been cured, you guessed it, some more of the amazing top coat. And then we can just go on and start our design on top. How cute does this look? I definitely can see where I can make some improvements, especially that where I've applied the DuraGel a little bit thicker, it's gone a little bit yellowy toned. So I know I could do something about that, but it's not bad for my first go. On top, I'm just going to go with a little bit of Caribbean, whichever one you say, and just doing that kind of faux French type of look on this nail. Okay, we're nearly done, so let's add some top coat and cure. Definitely can see where I can make improvements, but I still love it. What do you think, and what would you have done differently? Or maybe you've got some tips and tricks for me. Have you done aqua nails yourself before? Let me know in the comments.